Hello everyone, my name is Annie Zhang. Today I'm gonna present our project. This video was made by Yukren Kao and me, and we are from 7000 High School. Intro of author. Kate Chopin started writing at the age of 32, and doctors suggest her to write story to overcome the grief after her husband's death.
She desired freedom and self-fulfillment among women after studying the work of French short story master Gade Maupassant. She published her novel The Awakening and ended her career.
After her death, The Awakening became a classic. The critics in the 1950s rediscovered the novel and proclaimed that Chopin inspired people's interest of the modern sensibilities. Mrs. Smollett's husband died in a train accident, and her sister tried to tell her the fact with gentle tone and led her to accept it. Mrs. Smollett locked herself in her room, and she felt lonely and sad while she watched the window every day. Later, she felt happy when she believed he has passed away. Her sister implored her to enter her room, but she's been rejected.
A couple of days later, Mrs. Smollett finally came out from her room and walked down the stair with her sister, Mr. Richards waiting at the bottom.
Mrs. Smollett suddenly fainted and never woke up, according to a doctor's diagnosis. She eventually died of a heart disease. Author's purpose. Chopin's purpose was to tell that all marriages, even the most merciful, are inherently oppressive. In the story of an hour, independence is a forbidden pleasure that can be imagined only privately. When Mrs. Smollett hears from Josephine and Richards of Brendan's death, she reacts with obvious grief, and although her reaction is perhaps more violent than other women's, it is an appropriate one. Alone, however, Mrs. Smollett begins to realize that she is now an independent woman, a realization that enlivens and excites her. Mrs. Smollett's life offers no refuge for this kind of joy, and the rest of society will never accept it or understand it. She sees her life as being absolutely hers, and her new independence as the core of her being. Overwhelmed, she even turns to prayer, hoping for a long life in which to enjoy this feeling. When Brinley returns, he unwittingly yanks Mrs. Smollett's independence away from her, putting it once again out of her reach. The forbidden joy disappears as quickly as it came, but the taste of it is enough to kill her. Symbol. There stood facing the open window, a comfortable roomy armchair. Into this she sank, pressed down by a physical exhaustion that haunted her body and seemed to reach into her soul. The open window symbolized freedom. Mrs. Smollett thinks she will have freedom after the death of her husband. And that's it. Thank you for watching.